my baby. Got me staring at you, so I'm crazy. Won't you bend that back for me? We won't stop, got your feet both locked. You get to fly with me. I can take you down for a ride. I take you around my life. Jaywalking, crosswalking, lip locking. But you, I know it, you know it, we make it.
Welcome guys! Once again to our channel, Natty! So today we're going to make a simple recipe on macaroni.
So we're gonna use like simple ingredients, but I just hope you like the ingredients that we're using it. We're not like some like pro chefs or something, but we're just trying. So I hope you like it. So guys, now we'll start like first with the ingredients. First ingredients will be the macaroni that we'll be using. And we'll be using different kind of sauce. This is like the Schezwan tomato ketchup. And then we'll use the green chili sauce. And this is the Schezwan sauce. And this is like the chili, like spicy tomato ketchup sauce. And the vegetables that we're going to use, these are carrots. And the tomatoes, of course. Here's the capsicums, and these are some toppings that we're going to use. This is the cheese, this is some chaat masala, and coriander.
Okay guys, we'll start prepping. She's going to boil this.
We're supposed to do the boiling. So before boiling the macaroni, I'll just sprinkle some salt in it. So we'll put on the gas. Let's wait for it to boil for around 15 minutes. So while the macaroni is boiling, we are going to prep some vegetables. Vegetables, cut the vegetables.
This is for garnishing.
So now I'm chopping these tomatoes that we'll be using.
And I'm peeling the carrots. The macaroni is ready. I finished to prep everything. Carrots, onions, tomato, coriander. Now we're going to start cooking. Okay.
First we'll add onions. The onions and carrots. Let it turn brown first. Let's keep stirring. Let it turn brown. Let's leave it to get soft first and brown. Getting dry, so now we can add the tomatoes. And we'll add this hot and sweet tomato sauce. Tomato sauce again. Some tomato sauce. We'll add some green chili sauce. Just for a little bit of hotness. So now we'll add the macaronis after all.
The pot is small. Looking so good.
I hope it tastes good too. We hope it tastes good too. It's ready. But it doesn't look good. But then it's because of the pan, everything is all like sticky and everything. Oh, it's okay, I hope so.
At least it will taste good.
At least I hope so. It tastes good.
So we have come to the end of the video. We'll show you the macaroni that we have made today. We have made a lot of effort and
And we're so tired.
so tired, and we just hope that it tastes good, and
I hope that you guys will like it, like the video.
yeah, we'll show you the macaroni.
Ready to eat.
Bye guys, see you next time. And again, please like, share and
Subscribe.